The first point, the key point which you started with is that you want to ensure proper electricity for Ward 8 in this area. Can you elaborate what exactly is the problem and how will you fix it?
Thank you so much, first of all, Dimobor 24/7 for giving your precious time. It's like this. When it comes to electricity, like power supply, the voltage is very low. So to say, transformer I'll speak in English. Transformer do 50 core la halishiri do more than 200 core cholai. So it need power supply na pae. Even to start a business, proper ekta current dhana ilu na pae. Panila factory ekta khulule ase, noli do apni carpenter la khulule ase. Even for a garage also, power supply every week ase. Fan dak pi jula do overflow ase. Without generator na paro or the inverter also. Light jaise fan speed hua ase. Light aise dim hoi jaise. Sukubi biya boli light na light to over dim thake. Idu ba moi main focus to ase electricity ana do transformer sab jaga set krina. Light thaka nam do bulb power supply do paulila. Idu nim focus.
So sir, you talked about the improving of a drainage system. So can you shortly, briefly tell us what exactly is the problem in Ward 8 regarding drainage system and what will be your strategy to address the issue?
In aze man link road kiman aze pani girsilu do nala ho jay. Simple as why? Because drainage system nai. Drainage system sob manu wall martin aze almost all. So mala recently newly elected chairman Angal Racha Moza. Tai rabi man kam gurina rasta do banai dise soiling han gurina aise tai rabi piche balba kurise, but still pani girsilu do pani jama ho jay. Nala is na. Why drainage nai? Suru jagla dibi no idu. Same thing with supply and this problem do face kore. So my first priority do drainage system do banai dibo. Drainage system once it's done, automatically rasta banaule la duk na tha ho jay. To focus man nala gari sare manu berao na preo. Over pani jama ho jaba. To idu nala la problem to solve as soon as it's done, mula focus do link road rasta ni midai jabo. Connection ni midai do. Ina shiri do bera manwi duk na hoina aran ba bera ole sapte ina la program ase.
Okay. So can you give a little bit of throw light on the proper link road la concept, link road ki kuro le.
That's it, same thing. Once the drainage system is done, link road automatically it will touch there because nala na thakina rasta kiman banai lebi, what's the use? Biya hui thake, biya hule ase. So idura nala to bhal loina banai chilo link road to automatically tade banai na jao parbo. Itu ase kwa.
Okay. So when you talk about youth empowerment, are we talking about jobs or are you also talking about helping them become entrepreneurs?
Yes, itu helping them in entrepreneurs itu focus to itu ase. Tan business room jas tan kiba room jas guidance lage to man barba nibo business establishment bhal ase mano man ane tangi du class kan dina na nelibe seminar kan dina inana tadi focus room jay moi inana not only in business term itukla no holibi like sports ti holibi man war tournament kan thaki je holibi na thako sida to football hobi cricket hobi volley hobi itukla no there's so many things, right? So it one sob te moi tahange moi special privilege dium je mahan ekta kipekta from tournament ekta thaki je gulo jiti lebi olop idu prize money na bon ho jay holibi idu bon no hole de man bhal coach kan diu lage bhal advisor kan thaibo lage so that idu ina holi dambi dangor na jao no hai. Itu youth empowerment itu tadi mesti ning raja. Ina na for the students also. Man cuma kini mana seminar bisi kom. Mahala time itu seminar bisi kom di thaki sih. Seminar itu thana. So we don't know like what is man dangor na ki kuro focus thana jana na. Ki puri na isi itu di standing raja. Only once man seminar di uli start kuri itu. Pacahan bi moi dangor na itu kuru baru. Moi doctor, moi engineer, moi science, moi politician, moi musician. Thaki itu focus kita hui jana. Itu seminar ba bisi depend kuri. Tu moi seminar kan dina focus kuna moi itu bisi काम ग्रूम ज्यादा है.
Thank you.
Thank you.